Hey Mike, I thought this would be an easier way to show you some of the stuff that I've been working on for Earth and space science. Again, I don't know if it fits your needs. Like I said, we don't offer credit, we just offer resources, and then those resources can be used however a teacher or school sees fit. Currently, I'm working on these four. So, the introduction, if we just go over here, this is a system that the entire state of Iowa, all students, all teachers, all administrators have access to. So the goal is to make it as simple as possible. I've broken it down into the three next generation science standards, and then underneath each of them are performance expectations. We do one of them at a time, and that's why there's three modules. If we go through here, it'll kind of tell you, it'll give you a background on what we're going to do. You'll see I still have some work to do on filling things in. This is how the course works. So when there's stuff to do, it'll tell you there's stuff to do. That takes you to the end of that one. If we go back to so this is the one where I've done the most work. Again, it's not finished, but in here it takes those the Earth and space science standards and it breaks them down into their 6 performance expectations. As we go through this module, it's going to highlight what performance expectation we're on. So here, now we're going to learn about 1-1. This is basically shows us what we have to do, shows a student what they have to do to develop or to get credit for this. And these can be modified, these pages. So here this goes into, you'll notice at the top, says what standard we're on. We go through and we learn about how we're going to make this model. So we've got some content here. Again, we've got some more content. The goal being, I've taught Earth and space science for quite a few years. The goal being to get rid of the stuff that doesn't matter. Try to make it as simple as possible. So again, they learn there. They learn here. Now on each of these, they can click on them and it takes them to a place where they're going to learn more. So it's not, it's doing that. So it's not something that, the idea being that it breaks it down into the forms the simplest way we can. So here and then here, we're going to put a quiz in here. And the quiz will be a part of how you can show you've met 1-1. There will also be a component where you have to submit something to somebody who will evaluate it. Now we move on to 1-2. Again, walks through how to be successful in 1-2. Some resources, some interesting stuff about the Big Bang, and you keep going through. So here we talk about the different things. Again, there's some videos, some pictures. We try to make it a little bit interactive in terms of the content, but not the same thing over and over again. So this goes into why light looks different. Again, I just wanted to point this out. We're in development of this. If this is something that you guys want to be a part of and you would use it, we're more than happy to work with you on getting something up and going. We've been working with Indianola School District, probably the most, a little bit with Davenport School District on them essentially creating their own courses in here. And from those courses, students would be able to take them. And, so if a kid's gone or something, they have access to it. So it's kind of a hybrid between a learning management system and an online school. It's not one, it's not the other, it's something in between. If you have questions, let me know. Hopefully we can help you out.